Hello valued customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the best performance out of your new flat nose pliers, we decided to make this video just for you. Rosenthal Collections features its 5-inch flat nose plier. They have multiple bonus features. They have a box joint, they are rust-free stainless steel, a non-slip grip, and has a wide smooth surface area. These pliers are used for designing and creating jewelry. They have many different abilities, for example, gripping wire, opening chains and links, creating all types of angular shapes, and straightening out wire. I hope you found this video helpful. If you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.